My name is Vivek Miani. Today I am talk about the female bladder catheterization with a soft catheter. Catheterization of the bladder is the insert of the catheter into the purpose of the removing urine and administration drug of flushing. First of all, we will talk about indication of the catheterization. The need of the empty the bladder is acute, acute chronic urinary relation. The indication of the medical substance into the bladder, the introduction of the radio purpose and bladder, washing the bladder with ascites and taking urine for analysis. First of all, we will talk about adverse effect. Damage to urethra after bleeding with fresh urethra, acute uritis and prostatitis and orthopeditis. And now we will talk about equipment, which equipment we need for this process. First of all, sterilization disposal catheter and sterilization glycerin of sterile petroleum gel and forceps, sterilization swabs and sterilization napkins, urinary collection bag, sterile, warm and 0.2% fustel solution and pad medical pad and sterilization gloves, mask, apron and medical cap and sterilization tweezer in the sterilization tray and disposable box, class B box and etc. Now will talk about the female bladder catheterization with a soft catheter procedure. First of all, establish the confident relation with the patient and ensure the isolation in the patient. And after the clarify the patient and understanding of the purpose of the course of the upcoming procedure and often of the concept contradiction. And after that, prepare your hand and work and gloves and wear the gloves and mask and wash our hand with sanitizer and warm water. And after that, lay the patient on her or his bed and put on the having previously spread and the oilcloth and diapers and bend the knee and slightly spread to the side and between the feet and our knee to the puts the vessel of the urinary bag and bend leg her knee and slightly spread the sides. And after that, using the Stragos pad 1 and 2, spread the labia with the finger of the hand and expose the external opening of the urethra. After this, the next process is with our right hand taking a sterilization cotton swab with forceps and moisten with antiseptic oil solution and treat the opening of the urethra from top of the bottom. And with our right hand, sterilization catheter with tweezer and like the pen distance of the 5 or 6 centimeter from the round and grab the fee between the IV and V finger. And after that, lubricant the inserting the end of the catheter with sterilizing glycerin or sterilization vaseline. After the insert the catheter into the urethra by 3 or 5 centimeter until urine appear and lower the free and the catheter into the urine collection bag. After removing urine from the bladder, press the edge of the palm over the bosom and with sterilization tissue applied, remove the catheter from the urethra at end of the urine flow and dispose of the catheter wipes gloves in class B container. And last is the treat the external opening of the urethra with the solution of the furacin. And it is all information, equipment and procedure about the female bladder catheterization with the soft catheter. Thank you so much.